Solve It is one of our flagship programs here at the Centre for Innovation and Entrepreneurship. It's where students team up to tackle real-world challenges.
I bet you guys have never heard this one before. I would like you to flood our houses.
This year we were proud to collaborate with Eden Park, AA Insurance, Permobile and Samsung. Each partner brought a unique, meaningful challenge and our students rose to the occasion. It's innovation in action.
During Solve It, I got to learn about process thinking, about design thinking, as well as being able to talk to people within an industry.
For our partners, it's a powerful way to connect with emerging talent and gain fresh perspectives on complex challenges. Every year, we're blown away by the creativity, energy and insight students bring and the genuine connections that form.
To get to meet different people from different faculties and to play to the best of our strengths, that was the best part about Solve It.
To our 2025 partners, thank you. Your support creates life-changing opportunities.
I'm very proud of our association with the University of Auckland, but also with all partners that have participated this week in Solve It.
And to our future students and partners, Solve It is your invitation to create impact, grow capability, and collaborate across backgrounds, disciplines, and lived experiences. Join us.